Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best split-top storage box on the market, the Iris USA FileBox File Organizer with a hinged split latching lid. This versatile organizer is designed specifically for letter and legal size files, making it an ideal solution for anyone who wants to keep their documents safe, organized, and easily accessible. Right from the start, this storage box impresses with its thoughtful design. It features a hanging file ledge, which means you can effortlessly fit your hanging file folders inside without worrying about them slipping or shifting. By hanging the files on the rim, organizing your documents becomes a breeze, whether you're managing office paperwork, classroom materials, or important legal documents. One of the standout features is the split lid. Unlike traditional storage boxes where you have to remove the entire lid to access contents, this split lid opens from both ends. This design makes it much easier to reach in and retrieve or store files quickly, saving time and hassle. Busy professionals, like bankers or office managers, will appreciate how efficient and practical this feature is during their daily workflow. Durability and quality are also key strengths of this box. Made from durable polypropylene, it's BPA-free and water-resistant, which helps protect your documents from spills and moisture. The sturdy plastic build means it can withstand regular use without cracking or breaking, and you can trust that your files are well protected inside. The box is also designed to be stackable and nestable. With grooves on both the lid and the body, you can securely stack multiple boxes on top of each other without worrying about them slipping or falling. When not in use, the boxes nest inside one another to save space, which is great for compact storage in offices, homes, or vehicles. With a generous 44-quart capacity, the box is perfectly sized to hold a large volume of files and documents. Whether you have legal-size papers or standard letter-size files, this box accommodates them all with ease. The clear plastic allows you to see the contents at a glance, so you don't have to open each box to find what you need. Another nice touch is that this product is made in the USA, which adds to its appeal in terms of quality and manufacturing standards. It has been a trusted choice among professionals who require reliable and durable storage solutions. To sum it up, the Iris USA FileBox File Organizer with its split-top lid, hanging file ledge, water resistance, and stackable design stands out as a highly functional, durable, and smart storage solution for organizing your important documents. If you're looking for a storage box that combines ease of access with robust protection, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.